I consider this to be the triple crown of New York City real estate. Its prime location, its commanding architecture, and elegant proportions. Welcome to 325 West End Avenue, apartment 6AB. I'm Maria Manuche. Let's begin the tour. This apartment has 5,500 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. That begins with this extraordinary entrance gallery. And it's from here that you begin to see the important architectural details that really makes this home a special place. Soaring ceilings and plenty of wall space for your budding art collection. This is an important first beat, but it's only the beginning. I consider this the Goldilocks of living rooms. Not too big, not too little. Easily accommodates a grand piano, yet inviting. You really want to come sit down and have a nice chat with family and friends. And sitting here, you really appreciate some of the more extraordinary architectural details this building offers, like these bay windows, and of course, the 10-foot soaring ceilings. And the current owners were able to improve upon these important features by opening up the walls with their renovation, which allows each room to have a dialogue with the next. By day, this is the perfect home office. At night, it is the best after-hours venue. Set apart from the main entertaining space, this room, the southeast corner with its grand bay windows and 10-foot ceilings, really allows you to choose how you want to use this space. And over the decorative fireplace is a fun feature. Perfect for watching the game. And for you design aficionados, appreciate the enfilade on the way to the dining room. What I love about this dining room is its location. You actually will use this space and its proportion. It's perfect for either grand entertaining or intimate gatherings. While enjoying a meal here, you can look up and appreciate the original crown moldings and again, your fine art collection. Oops, I almost forgot. Built into most of the walls are these exceptional pocket doors. And this sets a stage for me to share with you the true showstopper of the home. A lot of living happens here in this fully stoked eat-in kitchen right next to this extraordinary great room, while also incorporating important modern conveniences like additional storage and custom millwork. While casually dining or keeping an eye on homework getting done, you can still be part of the action while creating your magnificent feast. Just imagine grilling while preparing 4 different sides while also baking your apple pie, and then serving it on this beautiful center island. Now that I've shown you the public spaces, let me show you the private. Feels like an oasis when you arrive at this primary bedroom, which easily accommodates a king-size bed. It has 2 exposures, sun-flooded all day, and has a little peek of the river. As appropriate for the primary bedroom, there is an ensuite primary bath. It's beautiful, right? And here we are, back where we began. The flow of this apartment is truly exceptional and simply a pleasure in which to live. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.